our belief and what we've seen results-wise in working with top agents, as far as the quality of a lead goes, we believe that with an internet lead, as long as the prospect is willingly entering in their contact information, manually typing in their name and their email address, and they aren't being tricked into doing so, that really is the lead and that is the quality. It doesn't matter who generates it. If we're saying we'll give you the free value of your home, and they go there and they manually type in their name and their email address and they get that value of their home, that lead is as good as there really isn't a quality factor. Now, if someone's at a site where they're being shown a $50 gas card for checking your home value, or chance to win a trip to Hawaii if you check your home value here, now you're bringing somebody in who really isn't there for the right reason, and then that becomes a not good quality lead. The other thing is, it really comes down to offering something that's clear and concise and then delivering that to people. Don't offer people a home value and then send them your bio as a realtor about why you've been listing homes for 20 years in the neighborhood and why they should list with you. If they ask for a home value, give them the home value. Give them what they're looking for. Be concise with what you offer and concise with what you deliver. The one thing I would definitely caution everybody against is landing sites that auto-populate the customer's name and contact information based on cookies that are on their system. You definitely don't want a lead that's not even willing to type in their name and their email address. Try calling that one. That's about as bad a quality as you can get. But if somebody's being offered straight information, they're willingly entering their contact information, that lead is as good as any lead that's out there. There really isn't a good quality or a bad quality, and that's really our philosophy. And if you take the leads, take them like that and work all of them as hard as you can that fit that criteria, you'll see the results that drive the program and keep people using internet leads.